Once upon a time, there were 3 old friends. They were all scholars leading busy lives, but they made it a point to meet once a year to make sure they would always stay in touch with one another. But this time, the gathering felt different. They were all getting old and starting to feel their age. Sensing this, the first scholar remarked, "We are all here together this year, enjoying each other's company. But who can say with certainty if we will all be able to come back and be together again next year?" The second scholar left next year. "I think you may be looking too far ahead and assuming too much. Today I am alive, but who can say with certainty if tomorrow I will open my eyes to greet another day?" They turned to the third scholar who had been quiet. He looked up at them thoughtfully and said, "Tomorrow, my friends, as I sit here with you, I do not know if each breath I draw will be my last. Who can say with certainty if one breath will be followed by another? You see, in life, in your life, the story is short but deeply meaningful. The first scholar measured life in terms of years, as most people do. We think about the number of years we have lived, and we still have. The truth is that we may not have many years or even 1 year ahead of us. Life, rather than measuring it in years or days, flows from one moment to the next, from one breath to the next. We simply do not know how many minutes or seconds we still possess. So the people who are important to you in your life, be grateful now this moment and not tomorrow or next year. Thank them now for their friendship, and count your blessings of having a family right now. Thanks for watching and stay blessed.